Hey guys, it's JV Charles here with you, Garden Josiah. Just want to talk today about the garden this year and the fun we've had putting this garden together, me and Josiah and his mama. You know, it's kind of cool to see Joey out here watering and harvesting vegetables and falling down and stuff like that. He kind of acts like a drunk sometimes. You all right, Joe? Okay, because you make me wonder sometimes, buddy. What are you doing? Are you doing the garden shuffle? Oh, you okay? Takes off his shoes down here and gets barefoot with the earth, gets grounded with the earth. He just loves to come out here every day. And what a great experience it's been growing with him this year. And we're still into the growing season. Joey, that's not on, buddy. Let's check the cucumbers. See if there's any cucumbers. You want to? Or tomatoes or whatever. But seeing him getting excited about coming out here every morning, it's really been a blessing for me. We've had a great time. What is it, bud? The cherry tomatoes have grown. There's one right there, a red one, son. You want to pick it? Right here? See that red one right there? Get that cherry tomato out of there. You see it? There it is. Let me see it. Hold it up. Wow. Sure. Wipe it off on your shorts first. There you go. Now you can eat it. Cherry tomato. How's it taste? Here, Daddy will eat it. Can I have it? Or we'll throw it on the ground. All right, the birdies will get that one. Yeah, you gotta acquire a taste for the tomatoes, don't you, son? He's more of a pickle and pea guy, I think. You like the peas though, don't you, Joey? And the dill has taken off this year. It's crazy. We tried to throw some corn out here and was gonna let it sunflower. Don't be too rough on it now. It's still growing, okay? Don't touch it, son. Just look at it. Looks like something's been eating on it pretty good. Yeah. There is more peas. Can you see where they're at? Just to watch them come out and harvest the stuff and get excited about it. It's kind of cool. Taking a break from Blippi on his tablet and stuff like that and getting outside and doing something this summer. It's really been cool. Really been a cool experience. And we're planting some more cucumber seeds. We're going to germinate some more seeds and get them planted for the fall. Get those in the ground, and some peas probably again too. We'll have to see. You can see a lot of our stuff is dying off here, our cucumbers. And we're going to replant them, clean some of this stuff up, get the trellis reset, and hopefully get some more cucumbers because we've pickled a few jars this year. Pretty excited about. Got those pickling, and we'll see how things go. Sunflower really covered up, didn't she? I know, it's insane, isn't it? It looks great. Those Romas. Look at those Romas, yeah. Those look cool, don't they? How about the yellow squash, Joey? Let's check it out. Where's the yellow squash at? Let's see it. Oh yeah, look at that. That's about, wow, that's getting pretty good size, isn't it? Jojo, where's the, can you show Daddy where the zucchini's at? Can you point to the zucchini? Over here, the green zucchini? Yeah, that's the zucchini right there, isn't it? And what's this right here? What's that bad boy down there? What is that thing? That's a zucchini, isn't it? Are you excited? What's under there? Just hay? A little bit of hay under there? What is it? Purple thing? Wow, look at that. That's cool. Jojo, show Daddy where the cucumbers are at. Can you show me where the cucumbers are at? He wants to climb the pole, climb the shovel. So yeah, it's been really cool this year. We're gonna continue and film and continue and bring some gardening videos to you guys. Hopefully you'll enjoy them. Got a jalapeno pepper here. Put pepper on there. Not a huge garden. I'm still waiting for our tomatoes to come alive. I didn't do much pruning on these tomatoes, and then we had a storm come through. You can see it's really did a number on them. Our tomato cages are just, you know, I cleaned them out underneath there a few weeks ago, but the storm came through and these things are just powerhouses. So I'll get those staked back up. We just got back from a week vacation, so little maintenance needs to be done here, and I'm going to do that and clean things up and give you guys another garden review here in a couple days after we get things straightened up. And just wanted to drop a quick video, catch you guys up on what's going on. Hey Joe, can you say bye to everybody at Garden Josiah? We'll get the hose out. Can you say bye-bye, Joe? No, look at the camera and say bye. All right, thanks guys for checking us out. Check out our blog at gardenjosiah.com. We're adding like 2 or 3 blogs a week. Huh? We'll get the hose out in just a minute, okay? 2 or 3 blogs on all kinds of cool stuff. Vertical gardening, we've been focusing on for a couple weeks. It's really cool. I didn't realize there was so much you could do with vertical gardening in small spaces, on porches and patios and things like that. So we're excited about that little series we wrote on, and we're going to keep on from there. And check out our shorts, our YouTube shorts. We've added to our YouTube channel here, and we're going to be doing a bunch of quizzes, garden quizzes. They're coming out here in the next few days, and we're going to see who's the smartest gardener in the world. Not in the world, but it's cool to take the quiz and see if you know the answer, and then you drop the answer in the comment. We're going to keep track of everybody's answers and give away some t-shirts. You don't see the peas? You got to look close. And the t-shirts are really cool. Let me see if I can show you guys the t-shirts here. Well, I'll have to show you later. Can't really do it right now, but I do know that I'm wearing one right now, and they're really cool. So I'll get back with you on that. But we're going to give away some t-shirts, Garden Josiah t-shirts, for these upcoming short videos we have, garden quiz, garden riddle videos, and we're real excited about that too. So hopefully that'll spark some interest in gardening. But anyway, I said we were out, and we weren't out yet. But thanks guys, thanks again. We're gonna get some of this stuff cleaned up today when we got a pretty day out here today. What is that? Is that a mushroom? What is that? Don't eat it. Make you see funny things. Beautiful day here in Kansas City. Thanks guys, we'll see you later. Pick a marigold flower. Let me see it. Oh boy, does it smell good? What do you think? Not so great? More bird food. Talk to you guys later.